Well, hello again mga ka-beauties! Welcome back! And in today's video, I'm gonna talk to you about my skincare menu that's great for maintaining that youthful look and keeping the wrinkles away. So if you are still wondering what products to use or what are the best products in anti-aging skincare in your late 20s or 30s, then stay with me. Mga ka-beauties, when we hit the age of 30s or even late 20s, makikita na natin yung visible signs of aging. Like nagiging mas mabagal na yung skin cell turnover ng balat natin, resulting to uneven skin tone, some dullness maybe, nawawala na din yung fresh look and bounciness ng ating skin. Kasi nga nagiging loose na yung collagen and elastin fibers ng ating skin. Doon na nag-uumpisa na mag-appear yung mga wrinkles and fine lines, lalong-lalo na dito sa my eye area. Many of us wants to know what is the best skincare products or anti-aging skincare routine to slow down aging. It is during the age of 30s that we should really be focusing sa paggamit ng exfoliating products or skincare products that contains exfoliating properties. Kasi kapag mabagal yung skin cell turnover, ang ating balat nahihirapan itong ma-absorb yung serums, essences, ampoules, creams, and moisturizers na ina-apply natin. And as for me, I prefer to use those products with chemical exfoliating properties kasi yung scrub can damage or bring damage sa ating skin barrier. So moving on mga ka-beauties, I did a mini purchase because I am building a skincare routine fit for my 30ish skin. And by the way mga ka-beauties, I'm 37. I've just turned 37 last January 26. Ito lang naman yung aking binili, kakaunti lang. So ipakita ko na rin yung iba kong binili. I bought a top coat and lac, nail polish, extreme shine na top coat, and itong number 4 Crazy, both from Essence. Ayan, I'm wearing them right now. Ang ganda niya. Lalo na yung extreme shine nila. Super shiny talaga. Ang ganda. Pumili pa pala ako ng lip and cheek tint. Here you go. Retinol. This is my first time to try retinol from the Inkey-List brand. Yung dati kong ginagamit is yung Art Naturals and yung sa The Ordinary. So, ito yung Inkey-List. Ito yung gagamitin ko ngayon. Kaya ko tong gamitin every night since my skin is not retinol virgin. And this is a watered down retinol. Hindi siya ganun katapang. But I'm sure it does the job. And I have here glycolic acid. It's from Pixi. Ito yung overnight serum nila. Hindi ko pagsasabayin pero gagamitin ko to once a week. And also niacinamide. Skincare dream team for anyone in their late 20s and 30s is to incorporate in their skincare routine sunscreen, vitamin C, retinol. Ito yung mga crucial ingredients na kakailanganin para sa anti-aging skincare routine. So I've come up with mine and ito yung aking anti-aging skincare routine. For my cleanser and toner, ginagamit ko pa rin yung dati kong ginagamit, which is the Missha Time Revolution Whipping Foam Cream, and yung toner ko is yung Dickinson's, which I use also during the day and the night. Yung binago ko lang talaga is yung cream, moisturizer, and yung serum, and yung aking sunscreen. So, during the day, itong dalawa lang. It's the vitamin C cream. Ito yung Yuha Niacin. Yan. This contains vitamin C and niacinamide. And, sunod ko itong ina-apply. Yung Sunjung Mild Defense Sun Cream, which contains SPF/PA++49. Yan. During the night naman, ang gamit ko is yung retinol from Inkey-List and yung cream na ginagamit ko, itong Advanced Nail Cream. So here's how I do it. Every time bago ako mag-apply ng aking mga anti-aging skincare products, parehas yung aking ginagamit na cleanser and toner during the day and the night time. So yung cleanser na gamit ko is yung Time Revolution from Misha. It's their whipping foam cleanser. And then yung aking toner is the Dickinson's na Witch Hazel. So here's how I do my morning skincare. Okay, so after ko mag-cleanser and then mag-toner, isunod kong ina-apply is yung Sam by Me Euhaniacin Sleeping Mask. Yes, you heard me right. It's a sleeping mask, pero dahil napaka-lightweight nito and it's gel type, so I use it to moisturize my face. And then after moisturizing, sunod kong inilalayer sa aking moisturizer is itong si Sunjung Sunscreen with SPF 49 PA++. This time, I choose to use a mineral sunscreen. And ito naman yung aking anti-aging nighttime skincare. Okay, so the same toner I've used in the morning is the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel. Mga 8 pumps ang ginagamit ko and then I swipe it all over my face. Next kong i-apply is yung retinol, which is formulated to treat pimples and acne and blemishes, and it helps reduce wrinkles without irritation because this has squalene and meron din itong 1% stabilized retinol compound. Then I topped it off with a thick layer of the Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream from CosRX. This is formulated with 92% snail secretion filtrate that helps naturally create the appealing glow of healthy skin. Ang ganda niya. It's very soft and it's very stringy. It feels very moisturizing. For my lips, I'm still using the Blistex Lip Serum and then I seal it off with Vaseline Lip Therapy. Kapag kasi winter, masyadong nagda-dry yung lips ko. Thank you for watching. Like and share!